Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish your Emergent AI app on the Apple App Store. First, generate your app inside Emergent AI. Emergent AI can generate a mobile app and also create the IPA file that is required to publish on the Apple App Store. Keep in mind that generating the mobile app and downloading the IPA file requires a paid plan. If you are using the paid plan, simply select the option to generate the mobile app. Once the build process is complete, download the IPA file. If you want to do this for free, there is another method. Start by copying the URL of your created web app by clicking on the Deploy button at the top right. Make sure the link is correct and publicly accessible. Next, open a new browser tab and go to median.co on the homepage. You will see an option to build your app. Paste your copied app URL into the provided field. Then click on Build Your App. You will now be asked to enter your app name and your organization name. Fill in these details carefully. After that, click on Start Building My App. Median will begin converting your web app into a mobile app. Wait until the process is complete. Once it is finished, click on the Download button. Inside the downloaded files, you will find the IPA file. This is the file you need to upload to the App Store. Before you can download that IPA file, Median will ask you to configure iOS signing. To do this, you must connect your Apple developer account to Median using an API key. After the signing process is completed, go to App Store Connect in your Apple developer account. Upload your IPA file, complete the app information, and submit your app for review. That is how you publish your Emergent AI app on the Apple App Store. Thanks for watching.